Good morning kids. Myself, your science teacher, and today I will give you introduction to the branches of science and science syllabus for class 9th. Basically, what is science? Science is the study of physical and natural world through observation and experiments. That is why kids, we do a lot of experiments in science. Now, let us understand the branches of science. Basically, there are three branches of science: physics, chemistry, and biology. Physics is the branch of science that deals with matter in relation to energy. That is why here we study force and motion. Chemistry. It is the branch of science that deals with composition, uses, and structure of matter. That is why here we study about atoms. Biology. It is the study of living things and living organism, and here we study about cells and tissues. Now let us see the web chart form of all the branches of science, that is physics, chemistry, and biology. Now let us understand the syllabus of class 9. Syllabus of class 9th has 5 units, and in these 5 units we have 15 chapters. Unit 1, matter, nature, and behavior. In this unit there are 4 chapters. Chapter 1, matter in our surrounding. Chapter 2 is matter around us pure. Chapter 3, atoms and molecules. Chapter 4, structure of atom. And all these 4 chapters are of chemistry. Now unit 2 is basically organization in the living world, and it is of biology. It also has 4 chapters. Chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. Chapter 6, tissues. Chapter 7, diversity in living organisms. And chapter 13, why do we fall ill. Unit 3 is basically of physics. It has 5 chapters. Chapter 8, namely motion. Chapter 9, force and laws of motion. Chapter 10, gravitation. Chapter 11, work, power, energy. And chapter 12, sound. Now unit 4 is of our environment, and it has chapter 14, natural resources. Unit 5 is food production, and it has chapter 15, improvement in food resources. Now let us understand the assessment criteria for class 9th. Basically, assessment criteria is divided into 2 parts. Annual exam is of 80 marks, first part, and internal assessment is of 20 marks. This internal assessment is trifurcated into 3 parts. First part comes of cycle test, which is of 10 marks, and there would be 2 cycle tests of 5 marks each in this category. B, subject enrichment, and it is of 5 marks, and C is portfolio. It is again of 5 marks. So student, this was the various branches of science and the assessment criteria and syllabus for class 9th. Hope the video is very helpful for you and you are going to understand